Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, I have a PR package and this one has come to me from the lovely people at Diamondartdecor.com. I've been showing their products for quite a while and they asked would I like some more to show. Yes, of course. So, let's see what we got this time. I think we're 2 boxes. So... spoiler on that one, so I'm not going to show you. And then a little bit bigger box, and we've got 2 boxes to open. Wow. And I've not said it for a while, so if you are a card maker or just like me and like to just do extra things, you could actually cut that diamond out and put it through a laminator or something, or put a sealer on it and use it as a cover minder. Yay. I'm always set up for looking for extra things to do with boxes and anything really. I'm sure I was a womble in a former life. Right, okay, before we get started on these 2 lovely boxes, I will just tell you some special offers as always. So if you buy 2 items at the moment, there is 10% off. If you buy 5 items, there is 15% off. And if you buy 10 items, there is 20% off. Wow! So we do like saving money. And when I went through to my basket, because I do buy from these companies under a different name and under a different email address, so that I don't get any favouritism or anything, because you don't know it's me, it did come up that there is a free gift. I think you have to spend £30, but if you do put things into your basket, just double check the sort of the little offers and things that come up. It does calculate it all for you, and it'll tell you spend extra so much to get this special offer, or you've got this special offer, or you know, it calculates it all for you, which is always really good. Right, there's also free shipping on over £40, which is $49. Roughly, it depends on the exchange rate, so yeah, I think that's fairly standard with them. So let's get into these and have a look and see what we've got. Shall we have a look at the big one first, because this one feels as though it's trying to escape. Look, the box has got a little bit squished, but hopefully the box has done its job, because that's what boxes are for. Really, I know we like them to be pretty and everything, but they are really there to protect the thing that's inside it. So let's have a look at this one. This one's looks like it's trying to escape as well. Goodness, I don't know what they've been doing in that bag as they've been travelling. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's quite squished in. Oh, sneak peek. We've got our lovely bit of foam there as well. And oh, look at that, that's a chunky chain. So we can tell it's going to be a special drill hanger. There's a few different varieties of this one as well. We are all specials. Oh, and look at those crystals sparkling away. Pen-button wax and this and this quite heavy chain that's in here. Oh, and it's all put together for us. I like that best. Yes, and it's a really good chunky lobster claw clasp there, so called because it's like a lobster claw coming to get you. So yep, that's your chain. Little piece of foam, always keep them for your other crafts. And then look at this, he's wonderful. I love him, and he is a gnome because you can see his eyes, but he's an under the sea gnome. So look at that, and he's on, I guess it must be like a lily pad or something that he's on. Not quite sure. Oh, I suppose it could be like a banana leaf or something, a tropical leaf that's fallen. And you can just imagine he's just got his hand behind his head, look. And he's got his feet crossed here, and he's just relaxing and floating down the river. Oh, it's wonderful. And we've got all the sea life round him. Look, we've got shells. He's obviously been collecting. Yeah, I reckon he's been out collecting. Look, making his hat up, look, with all the different shells. And is that a seahorse up there? Oh, I don't know. It might be. He might have an octopus behind him or something. Look, there's a tentacle there. Ooh. Look out behind you. And we've got starfish. Yeah, so he's been collecting and now he's just having a relax. slacks. Look at that, he's even got little patches and things on his little trousers there, and his lovely beard. I think he's wonderful. I just, yeah, he just really spoke to me when I saw him. Something a little bit different, and I do like to get something that's just a little bit different, a little bit quirky, and an awful lot of fun. So, where do his hanging up bits go? Let's have a look on the back. Oh, there, look, and there. So, if you want to put his chain on, then he hangs from those two bits there. Or if you're like me and you're not very keen on chains, I don't know what it is, it's just this sort of quirk I've got. I don't like to see hanging chains. Nothing matter with it, nothing wrong with it, just one of those little funny things about me. You can just put a command strip on the back of him. I'll pop him on the wall or put him in a little plate stand. But yeah, I just thought, oh, I like that. That's just so different. Look at his little toes. Yeah, he has got 5 toes, just checking. Right, so let's give him a quick measure. Yeah, you can tell I've found my tape measure because I'm measuring everything. So he's about 10 inches at widest points, which is about 25.5 centimetres. And his length is about 9 and a bit inches, which is about 23.5-ish centimetres. Wow, it'd be funny if it was only 13, wouldn't it? And our chain is roughly 39 centimetres, which is 15.25 inches. So good sized chain as well. If you want to make your chain a little bit shorter, just either put a little jump ring just to hold it in place, or you can tie a knot in it. But I've found that jump rings actually work really well, or even a little paper clip, you know, just to make it a little bit shorter. So yeah, but, oh, he's fabulous. I just love him. He just looks so cool and relaxed, and yeah, just let the world float by. Oh, wouldn't that be nice? Your toes would be a little bit cold here though in January because we've had a lot of frost at the moment. So our crystals, goodness me, oh wow, we've got a lot of colours. Right, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 different colours. My goodness me. Oh, and a few specials at the end. Excellent. So we're starting off with a lovely clear crystal and a little bit of a honey gold. And that, oh, that's a very, very dark green. I thought it was black, but no, it's just caught the light. So it's a very dark green. Very deep dark green. An aqua blue. And a little bit of a pale blue, and a lovely sea blue, and a paler honey gold. Oh, and a bright orange. I think that's your starfish. And a little bit of like a lemony colour there. And not quite a hot pink, but it's a pink. No, I can't call hot pink on that. It's just not quite dark enough, but it's still a nice pink. And then we have a purpley pink, again not a hot pink unfortunately. They do look different colours on camera to what they are in real life. And then we've got, oh, like a lilac-y blue colour, and a jadey green, and a grassy green. And then our 3 specials are a pale blue round with an iridescent coating, a larger pale blue round, and then a dark green with an iridescent coating. Oh, look at those, they're posh. Like those, very nice. So I think you can more or less see where they're going. Our marquees are all around here, look, on leaves and things. The blue rounds are all around here, maybe bubbles or drops of water. And then the smaller ones are all round about as well. So yeah, I think he's splishy splashing as he goes along and getting all water droplets onto his leaf that he's on. Yeah, I think it must be like a banana tree leaf or something. We do look very tropical, don't we? Or maybe just me then. So that's our lovely little gnome. We'll pop him out of the way over there. Okay. And then our second one, oh, and the price of him was £7.57. So obviously it depends on exchange rates and things, but that's what the price was today. And then the price of this one was only £5.86. Oh, so what did we get in this one? Okie doke. And da, da, da. Oh, we've got a heart. Oh, look at this. We've got a building project. And yeah, there you are. Look, there's the spoiler on the box. So it's very, very pretty. And the box has done its job keeping everything inside safe. Oh, we've got a hot pink in this one. Yes. Look at all those crystals. Wow. Okay, pen button wax and some little grip seal bags. Very good. We've got a little heart with a little chain. Oh, so this is to put your photograph in. If you remember at Christmas, I got a little Christmas tree with a hanging chain on it, and you could put a photograph inside. So I thought these might be sticky, but they're actually not. So what you do is put this over your piece of your photograph that you want, draw around it, and then pop it inside your little heart, and then pop that on there, and then clip it together, and then your little chain goes through there, and it's going to hang inside the heart with your little photograph in. Excellent, like that, like that. Right, so, and then yeah, it just gives you all your pictorial instructions. There were a lot of different ones of these as well, but I decided, seeing as we're coming up to Valentine's Day, I'd go with the heart, with the hanging heart to go in the middle. Yay! And we've got the little hole just there, look, that the little chain will go through. Oh, but look at that, it's all pretty different coloured hearts. So it goes for everybody, this one, because it's lots of rainbow colour hearts there. And then, no, there's no sticky on this. They seem to have stopped doing that now. They did used to put a sticky covering on one side of these. But what I suggest you do when you are putting these together is put the small one in first. So that clips into place. There. And then you've got your bit hanging over the edge there, so then when you're trying to line it up, it's easier because it's already in place, and it just makes it easier to push down, and then you've got a completely flat bottom. So there you are, and it will stand up. So how pretty is that? Look at all those hearts. And it's a heart tree as well, so it's like a tree of heart, a tree of love. Ooh. So quite a simple build, this one. As I say, very much like the Christmas tree that we got just before Christmas that I did. So, right, let's have a quick look at the crystals. And we are, I'm looking for some 13 different crystals, and they're all the standard size ones. But I think you can see that they're all standard size hearts and everything on these. So, yeah. I mean, you could if you wanted to. You don't have to put a photograph in there. You could just fill it up with crystals. Red crystals would be quite nice. If you've got a lot of spare red crystals, just fill it up with those. That'd look really, really good. Okay, so we've got some sparkly silver crystals and some, lovely red crystals and a pale pink and a hot pink, yes. And a lovely lemony gold and a lime green and a grassy green. And your deep blue and a lovely bright orange. So all these colours are going to look gorgeous on here. Look, really just a mix of colours, just a happy painting, all for Valentine's Day or whenever. It's one that can stay up all year round. And we've got your standard 310 black. That looks like it's for your tree and a little bit of your background. It just makes everything else pop out a little bit more if you've just got a base colour. And then we've got a dark purple Oh, and a lovely aqua blue there, and a little bit of a lovely greeny colour there at the end. Oh, it's got some blues in there as well. There's some escapees in the end. It's always going to be a good one when it's got a hot pink in it. So, as always, a huge thank you to Diamond Art Decor for sending me these. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love my little gnome. Look at his little toes. Oh, he's really, really cute. And he just really looks as though not a care in the world. I'm wearing my seashell and starfish hat. And I don't care if there's an octopus behind me. And then our lovely heart build a decoration, and yeah, you can put your photo of your loved one in there. What about that for Valentine's Day? Or you could even put little tiny chocolates in there if somebody likes M&Ms or Smarties or something like that in there. That'd look quite sweet as well. Okay, don't forget to go and check out diamondartdecor.com for those special offers and take advantage of those. So if you've enjoyed looking at these with me, then as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! You can also scan the QR code as well, and that will take you to my little homepage, so hopefully you'll subscribe. Okay, well, thank you ever so much for joining me. Take care, everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.